your husband have a child out of your wedlock. He decide to bring that child into your home, and he want you to accept the child and take care of the child like your own kids. It's very difficult to women, because it's a very painful thing that you are thinking that your husband was cheating on you all the time, and now he want to bring the child to you to take care of that child. So sometimes men, they have to think about another person's feelings, how we can feel as women. It's different that you meet your husband, he already have got his kids. Yes, I can accept it because it's his kids. He was already have his kids with his previous wife, so he decided to bring those kids with his previous wife. Then he have got a child, and he can tell you that I have a child, and that child is younger than your kids. So it's very difficult to accept that child as woman. Then you meet a husband, he was already have got his kids, he have got a child. Yes, you can accept it, or he can tell you that I have got a child, but that child is older than your kids. Maybe he had a child before you got married. Yes, you can accept it. But he have got a child out of your wedlock. You know that you are married, and your husband tells you that I have made me a mistake, baby. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I have a child. What. It's very difficult to accept that child.